Okay, you have to look at the picture and answer the questions that follow. So you need to observe this picture carefully, and then according to this picture, you have to answer the following questions. Dhruti, please sit properly. Okay, now Sai Joshit, what is there in the picture?
Animals are there.
Okay, anything else?
Trees.
Okay,
Leaves.
okay. So this is the
Then
picture of a jungle. This is the picture of a forest. And yes, Sai Joshit, this is the picture of a forest, right?
yes.
And we can see many animals are there. Can we see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can see that there are different types of animals there. So this is also kind of data which we will collect. Now we will look at the picture and then we will decide how many monkeys are there, how many elephants are there, how many tigers, how many fox, how many rabbits. Yes, I Joshit, are we going to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
So is
I already did it.
okay, can we say that this is also a data?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can say that this is also a data because data means collection of information. When we collect some information, so we will collect the information that how many monkeys are there, how many rabbits are there. So this is also a kind of data. Fine, Dhruti. Yes, Dhruti.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 171. That is 171 of your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Sai Joshi, unmute yourself and then look at the first picture
Okay, ma'am.
and tell me what is that? This picture.
First picture, rabbit, ma'am.
Yes, first picture is of a rabbit. Now, Sai Joshit, count and tell me how many rabbits are there in the picture.
5 rabbits are there, ma'am.
Five are there. Count properly.
Okay, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Very
6.
good. Six.
No, no, ma'am. 5.
Yes, yes, children, there are five rabbits. Let us count them one by one. I'll circle them so that you can also see one, then two, then three, 4 and 5. So there are 5 rabbits in the given picture. So we will write here 5 in the first circle. Yes, children. Beside that rabbit circle is there. You will write that 5 inside that circle. Okay. Now the next one. You have to look at the next animal now and then you have to answer. Akshara. Akshara. Akshara is not there. Okay, no problem. Dhirav means Arohi. Whosoever is there, please unmute yourself, children. Oh, okay. One by
He's
one.
coming, ma'am.
One by one. Arohi. Arohi.
Ma'am, she's coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Arohi, second picture is of which animal?
Elephant.
Okay. Count and tell me how many elephants are there in the picture?
1.
Yes, there is only one elephant in the given picture, children. So you will write 1 in that circle. Okay. Good, Arohi. Next, Dhirav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhirav. Next picture is of which animal?
Fox.
Fox. Good. Now count and tell me how many fox are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, there are 4 foxes. So we will write 4 in this circle which is beside the fox. Okay, good. Now next, Hanvit.
He's coming, ma'am.
Yeah.
1, 1, 1.
Next animal, Hanvit. Next animal, what is that?
Tiger.
Tiger. How many tigers are there?
2.
Yes, there are only 2 tigers. So we will write 2 in the circle which is beside the tiger. Okay, that's good. Now, Rohit is there?
Yes, ma'am. He's coming.
Okay. Rohit, now read next question. What is there?
What, ma'am?
Please read the next question, Rohit. It is
It is the
most.
most in number.
Rohit, you need reading practice. Please do it at home. Okay, it is the most in number. Now, Rohit, you tell me which animal is most in number.
Rabbit.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, rabbit is the animal which is most in number because there are 5 rabbits. Yeah.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the spelling of rabbit, Rohit?
R-A.
Okay, R-A.
P-V.
B-B-I-T. What is the spelling?
I-I-T.
Repeat the spelling, Rohit.
R-A-D-D-I-T.
Is it D-D-I-T? Rabbit.
B-B. Rabbit.
Yes, Rohit, you need to spell it correct. This is R-A-B-B-I-T. B for ball. That's rabbit. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So how many rabbits are there? Rohit?
What,
Rohit,
ma'am?
Rohit, how many rabbits are there?
What?
How many rabbits are there?
5.
So we will write here 5. Okay, next. Advait Gujja.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Advait. Advait, now read last question on page number 171. What is that question?
It,
Is
it is
the
it, it is the little
least
least and
in
in name
number.
number.
It is the least in number. Okay, which animal is least? Least means smallest in number.
1 elephant.
Yes, elephant is the animal which is least in number. That is 1. Okay, can you tell me spelling of elephant, Advait?
E-L-E
Okay, good. Advait, you have
A
to tell on your own. E-L-E.
A
P-H-A.
P S A
N-T.
N T.
Now spell it again.
E-L-E
Yes, P-H.
T-H
P for parrot. P-H.
P-H
Hmm?
A-N-T.
Yes, elephant.
Elephant.
How many elephants are there?
1.
Only 1 elephant is there, so we will write 1 in the next blank. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Advait, thank you so much. You can go back. Anyone else is there in the class?
Vinith is there.
Vineet? Vineet, count and tell me how many monkeys are there.
Ma'am?
How many monkeys are there?
1, 2, 3.
Yes, actually monkey, they did not ask us how many monkeys are there, but I am asking you. So there are 3
3
monkeys. Okay.
monkeys.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Vineet. Yes, Akshara. Akshara.
Ma'am,
Yes, you were raising your hand.
you didn't ask me.
Akshara, I asked you, but you were not there. Okay, you were not there in the class. When I called you, you did not answer. Yes, Swarnika, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. I'm writing. Don't remove, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll not erase this. Okay, children, you have 1 minute time. You can complete your pending work. I mean, those who are writing, they can write. I'll give you 1 minute. And Akshara, I called you, but you were not there. You did not give any response. Those who are writing, please write it quickly. And remaining children can open page number 1717 of their math course book. I repeat, remaining children can open page number 1717 of their math course book. Yes, children, I repeat, remaining children can open page number 1717 of their math course book. Yes, done. Yes, Tarini, please unmute yourself.
Miss, yesterday I didn't did 15 page, but I did yesterday. And I did, yesterday I did wrong page. I did 17.
Okay, no problem, no problem. You can check your answer now, okay?
I checked already. Aeroplane
But
6.
we haven't done page number 17, Tarini. How can you check your answer?
I can check.
You can check now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yes, Akshara, that's the same page. Yes, children, please open page number 17 of your math course book. Okay, I am clearing this now. I gave sufficient time. Yes, children, you all need to open page number 17 of your math course book. Akshara. Akshara.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Now start reading this question.
Look at the toys on the shelves. How many of each toys can you see? Write the number in the
Boxes.
boxes
Provided.
provided below.
Okay. So this is look at the toys on the shelves. How many of each toy can you see? Write the numbers in the boxes provided below. Okay. So what you have to do, some pictures are given here. Like we did in the previous question, we have counted how many monkeys are there, how many rabbits, how many elephants, how many tigers. In a similar way, we have to count these toys, like how many aeroplanes are there, how many horses are there, how many bicycles are there. Like this, we have to count and write the numbers. Okay. Now, Akshara, look at the first toy. What is that?
Aeroplanes.
Yeah, aeroplane. So how many aeroplanes are there? Count and tell me.
6.
Yes, there are 6 aeroplanes. So we will write 6 in front of that toy. Yes, Swarnika, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I will tell ma'am.
Swarnika, when I called you, where were you?
Here only, ma'am.
No, you did not give any response. I called you twice. You were not there.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, Swarnika, but be there in the class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, now wait for your turn. I'll get back to you. Yeah, that's like a good call. Tanvi Sri, unmute yourself and look at the second toy and tell me how many are there. Tanvi Sri.
Ma'am,
Yeah, what is that second toy?
tractor, ma'am.
Tractor. Second one. Beside that aeroplane.
Horse, ma'am. Horse toy.
Okay, count and tell me how many are there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, ma'am.
Yes, there are 6 hot toys. So we will write there 6. Okay, that's correct. Ashwath,
Ma'am,
next one, next toy. What is that third toy?
your toy. This is cycle, ma'am.
Okay, how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Yes, there are 5 cycles. So we can write here 5. Okay, that's correct. Good. Now the next one. Ketan?
Yes.
Yes, Ketan, look at the last toy. Joker is there. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, there are 7 jokers. So we will write 7 in front of that picture. In front of that joker actually. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Bhavashwet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavashwet. Now, below these pictures, one small bird is there and beside that bird, something is written. What is that?
Remember data is collection of inform
Rohit, stop talking, please.
information, facts, and pictures. When we arrange data in a similar
Systematic way.
systematic way, we call it data handling.
Okay, thank you, Bhavashwet. Thanks for reading this. Okay, listen carefully, children. Data is collection of information. Like I told you earlier, when we collect some information, that is known as data. I gave you one example also, like if there are 20 students in grade 1, and if, let's say for example, 6 students like red color, 5 students like blue color, then 4 students like yellow color, and 5 students like green color. So this is the information about grade 1 student, that how many of them like red, how many of them like blue, how many of them like green, like this. So data means the collection of information or pictures, anything. Now, when we arrange this data in a systematic way means when we arrange them in a proper way, then we call it as data handling. Now, how do we arrange it? Let's say, for example, it is there on your screen. You can see that how many aeroplanes are there? 6. So we can keep all these aeroplane toys in one line, okay, in one row. Then how many horse toys are there? There are 6 horse toys. So we will keep all these 6 horse toys in one row. Then how many bikes are there? 5. So we will keep all these 5 bikes in one row. And then how many jokers are there? There are 7 jokers. So we will keep these 7 jokers in one row. So when we arrange or when we keep things of the similar kind in a proper way, in a proper manner, that is known as data handling. Okay. When we arrange data properly, that is known as data handling. Sai Joshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, is this clear to you? You have asked me this question in the beginning of the session. Sorry, in the beginning of the class. What is data handling? Is this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, data handling means when we arrange data, when we arrange the information, the given facts or the information in a proper way. Okay, when we use that information to arrange something, that is known as data handling. Okay. Now, come to next page, that is page number 18 in your math course book. Now, Ronald, unmute yourself and read this question on page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
18. Please read this question, which is there on page number 18.
B3.
Question number 2.
Okay, ma'am. Represent the data given in Q1
Question 1.
Question 1. Picture
Pictograph
pictograph in the
form
for bar
graph
graph group
by coloring
the boxes.
Okay. Represent the data given in question number 1, that is pictograph, in the form of a bar graph by coloring the boxes. Okay. Now, is there anyone who can tell me what is a pictograph? They have used one word here, pictograph. What is that? Anyone? Is there anyone who can tell me what is a pictograph? Yes, children. In question number 2, they have used a word pictograph. What is that? What do you mean by a pictograph? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, no one. See, pictograph means the pictorial representation of a data. Pictorial representation of a data. Now, what is that? If you will look at this first question on page number 17 carefully, children. Now, this is a kind of a pictograph, means pictorial representation of the data. If you will observe this picture carefully, you can see that there are 6 aeroplanes. If I say that there are 6 aeroplanes, then we can draw here 6 aeroplanes, right? If I say there are 6 horses, then I can draw here 6 horses, right? So when we represent data in the picture form or with the help of picture, this is known as pictograph. I'll give you one example here. Please look at your screen, children. Yes, children, please look at your screen. I'll give you one example here. Let's say, I'll write here blue. Okay. Then I'll write here green. Then black. And the last one is red. Okay. Now I have written here 4 colors, blue, green, black, and red. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, look at your screen, children. Keep on looking at your screen. This is just an example. Hanvet, Rohit, please stop talking. And Vineet, you also. Okay. Now, no need to write this anywhere. This is just an example. You will not write it anywhere. Okay. Let's say that there are 5 children in your class who likes blue color. Fine. I repeat, let's say, for example, there are 5 children in your class who likes blue color. So what I'll do, I'll draw here 1. Look at your screen, children. I'll draw here 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have drawn here 4 blue circles. This means that 4 children like blue color. Okay. Now let's say that there are 2 children who likes green color. So I'll draw here 1 and 2 circles, 2 green circles. Okay. This means I have drawn here 2 green circles. This means that there are 2 children who likes green color. Fine. Okay. I'll draw here. I'll not speak up. I'll just draw here. Now you have to tell me what does this mean. Okay. Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mana, in front of black, how many circles have I drawn?
4 circles.
Now, what does these 4 circles represent here? Yeah, tell me. That's the reason I asked you to pay attention. Hayati, can you tell me what these 4 black color circles are representing here?
What, ma'am?
What these 4 black circles are representing here? Who can tell me what these 4 black circles are representing here? Yes, anyone? Anyone? Yes, Bhavashwit.
Those 4 circles represent black.
Okay, fine. But what these 4 black color circles are representing?
Four.
Okay, no problem. It's good. At least you tried. Yes, Tanvishree, unmute yourself and tell me. Yes, Tanvishree.
Ma'am, 4 circles are there, ma'am. That means four people like black color.
Very good. That's the correct explanation. Very good, Tanvishree. This means you were listening carefully. Yes, children. Very good, Tanvishree. These 4 black circles are representing that 4 children likes black color. This is what I told you. So pictograph means pictorial representation of the data. If I have drawn here 4 black circles, this means that 4 children likes black color. If I have drawn here 2 green circles, this means that 2 children likes green color. If I have drawn here 4 blue circles in front of blue, this means 4 children likes blue color. Very good. This shows how much attention you are paying when you are sitting in the class. Okay. Now, one more. Okay. Yes, Ketan? Yes, Ketan. Ketan. Okay. Now, who can tell me what these 3 red circles are representing? Who can tell me what these 3 red circles are representing? Yes, Janvi.
Like red.
3 kids like red color.
Very good. Yes, children. Now, this time I have drawn here 3 red circles. This means that 3 children likes red color. Very good, Janvi. So, this is known as the pictograph. Pictograph means pictorial representation of the data. When we represent some data, or we can say when we represent the information with the help of pictures, that is known as pictograph. Instead of these circles, I could have drawn here triangle, star, anything. Okay, it depends on the question. Let's say, for example, I'll write here something else. Look at the question carefully. Let's say I'll write here. Okay, I'll write here chocolate. First one is a Kit Kat. Okay. Then next one is a Perk. Okay, let's say next is Munch. Okay, you can say Bar 1. Now what these are the names of 4 chocolates. First one is a Kit Kat, Perk, Munch and Bar 1. These 4 chocolates are there. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to draw here stars according to the number. If I say that 7 kids of grade 1 likes Kit Kat. Okay. 5 children likes Perk. 4 likes Munch. 4 children likes Munch. And 2 children likes Bar 1. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to draw here the number of stars according to the given data. Now there are 7 kids who likes Kit Kat. now you have to draw stars to represent the given data. Akshara,
Ma'am,
how many kids like how many kids like Kit Kat?
7.
So how many stars we will draw here?
Ma'am,
7 children likes Kit Kat. So how many stars we will draw here? You have to draw as many stars according to the number. Like if 7 is there,
7.
how many stars? Yes. Yes, children, 7. Number is 7 here. So you will draw here 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So this is also the pictorial representation of the data. Yes, Ketan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ketan, now how many students like Perk?
Ma'am,
How many students like Perk?
5.
So how many stars we will draw?
5 stars.
Yes. Yes, children, 5 students like Perk. So we will draw here 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Pradiksha, unmute yourself and tell me how many students like Munch.
4.
So how many stars?
4.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So it depends on the question. It depends upon the information. Okay. Ayansh Gupta, unmute yourself and tell me how many students like Bawan. Ayansh Gupta. Ayansh is not there. Manha. Manha. No, you don't have to write this. Arhan Mohammed, unmute yourself and tell me how many kids like Bawan.
2.
How many stars we will draw?
2.
Yes. Yes, children, 2 kids like Bawan, so we will draw here 2 stars. So what I have done is, according to the information, that like 7 kids like Kit Kat, so I have drawn here 7 stars. 5 kids like Perk, so I have drawn here 5 stars. 4 kids like Munch, so I have drawn here 4 stars. So this is also the pictorial representation of a data, and we call it as pictograph. We call it as pictograph. Pictograph means pictorial representation of the data. Okay.